On November 23rd, people of Ossetia celebrate a national holiday, Day of Courage and National Unity. Its history goes back to 1989. As we all know, Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, but the process of its dismantling started much earlier. By the late 80s, it was clear that the end is coming, so Soviet republics, and Georgia first of all, started to move towards their own separate national projects. This put national minorities in Georgia, Ossets, Abkhaz, Greek and others, under an immediate pressure. Unfortunately, the new democratic Georgia was overtaken by hateful chauvinistic rhetorics, and Ossets became the first victim of it. Almost 100,000 of Ossets lived in Georgia outside of South Ossetic autonomy. These people were portrayed in the new political discourse of Georgia as enemies of the state only because of their ethnicity. Ossets were fired from their jobs, they were physically assaulted, they were discriminated, their houses and property were looted. The vast majority of these people were expelled from the country. The new leader of Georgia, Zviad Gamsakhudia, used, referring to the Ossets, a hateful rhetorics, much like Nazis did in 1930s against national minorities in Germany. At the same time, ethnic Georgians in South Ossetia continued to live their regular lives without any pressure or violence. Still, Georgia was invested in totally annihilating South Ossetia with its people, culture and language. On November 23, 1989, Zviad Gamsakhudia decided to show the whole world that South Ossetia was nothing more than a part of the new Georgian Lebensraum. He organized a march of thousands. These people wanted to enter Tskhinval, make a statement, show their presence, and hold there some kind of Georgian assembly. They started to move from Georgian city of Gori and soon reached Tskhinval, but were stopped by a small group of Ossets who stood firm against these Georgian nationalists and didn't take one step back. It was a small group against thousands and thousands of Georgian nationalists, but this group still made a great difference. A word was soon in the streets of Tskhinval and people started to flood the place. This was the first direct confrontation in South Ossetia since 1920, when Georgian Democratic Republic committed a genocide of Ossets. This day, November 23, 1989, will always live in infamy in Georgian history and will always be a day of our national pride and glory. At this day, South Ossetia showed the whole Caucasus and the whole world that it is fully aware of the grave danger of Georgian ethnic nationalism and is ready to do whatever it takes to protect the lives and freedoms of people in Ossetia. This standoff lasted several days and then Georgian nationalists retreated. This was the beginning of our road to freedom and independence, the road which was very tragic and very heroic. Georgian aggressions destroyed the lives of Ossets, they destroyed the infrastructure of our republic, but they couldn't destroy our spirit and our willingness to live free, as all people should. Our republic is built on great sacrifice, it is built on courage and loyalty, and it all started on November 23, 1989, when a small group of Ossets put their lives on line to protect South Ossetia. Many of these heroes are still alive, and so will be, God willing, the Republic of South Ossetia, which is an integral part of one united Ossetia.